cómo configurar el lado de LAN. Versión es el BRE1A. BRE1A. ¿Cómo se configura? Bueno, tienes la cámara, pones, obviamente, pues la prendes on, then this screen appear, then you push this option to see the screen, but not first you press the Q letter, or better you press the signal, this signal 2 times, one time. You select with this key the option, then you put set, then you select the next option. In this moment the camera is waiting for the connect with this object. Okay, you need to press the same time to these two buttons. Okay, you need to try again. You select this option, then you select set. The camera is waiting, or other again, 2 buttons the same time. This is the address of the Bluetooth of this object. Then you push OK. It's all. Then you need to select menu. Then you select the number of shots. Okay, you need to press set. Okay, Q with the frame, this option, then you select to the control remote by Bluetooth Audeland. You need to select this option. Q. Okay, select with set. Then you need to select this option beside 2 with the keyboard. Yes, in this option you need to push set. It's all you need to do. Then you press this option to camera. Yes, in this option the camera is on. You only you need to do is press this button to take a shot. Okay. Okay, let me to check the picture. Okay, this is a picture. You only need to, it's all the camera is working and enlaced with this object. Remote control. Is all. Thank you. I don't speak English. I'm learning how to speak English with my teacher Hugo from Querétaro, Mexico. See you later. Bye.